Let's see how to insert them in your content. So let me share the screen first.
Yeah.
All right, so we are on keyword planner. First of all, let's shortlist some keywords. Okay. So let's say we are making a content on, say AI. Okay. AI and or use of AI. In daily life. Okay. We want some keywords rotating around key uses of AI in our daily life. Okay. So let's get results. Click on get results. Just a second. Okay. So here we are. Now uses of AI. So yeah, let's increase it slightly so that we can see the information or the keywords artificial intelligence application in daily life. So these are some of the keywords that that Google Keyword Planner has provided us. All right. So let's give it a hit so as to find out the highest one first. So these are the highest ones. So let's check out. So you can pick the best 2 or 3 keywords. Okay. Like artificial intelligence application in daily life, artificial intelligence example in daily life, 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life, importance of artificial intelligence in our daily life. Okay, maybe some more are there, but mind it that you also have to look into two important columns, that is average searches per month. This should be as high as possible, and competition should be as low as possible. Okay, and also at the same time your keyword must be relevant. Relevant means it should relate to the topic for which you are writing your content. Okay, so we can ignore these 100 to 1000, and so we can see that there are only first three uh, first three keywords which have search volume of 1000 to 10,000, and they also have a low competition. Okay, so we can say that these are the best keywords for us. Okay, so what are these keywords? Artificial intelligence application in daily life. Second is artificial intelligence examples in daily life, and 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life. Now, what we are going to do, we have to create a content. So let me open our website, what we made, bbic.infinity. Let's go to the backend. Okay, so this is our backend, and let's log in like this. Okay, now we have landed onto our backend, and we want to write a content. Content means we want to write a, suppose we want to write a post. Okay, so let's go to post from the left hand side, go to post and click on add post. Okay, click on add post. Okay, so okay, so now just hang on over here. Now in the next tab, you can see in a new tab, just open chat gpt. I hope you all are aware of this name, chat gpt, and you might also be using this chat gpt for various uses. Now, one more thing I want to tell you right over here is that we all use ChatGPT for some or the other reasons, or maybe for some or the other work. But the way of using ChatGPT, or the way of giving commands to ChatGPT, is very important. So if you chat gpt can give you magical results, but depending upon how you prompt it, how you give the prompt to chat gpt, based on that you can get best, and also you can get worst results. Okay, so we have to look into what prompt means, what instructions you are giving to the chat gpt. Okay, so coming back to our topic, that AI. Okay, so what was the topic? Uses of, what was the topic? Okay, uh, let's say this is our topic, artificial intelligence application in daily life. Let's say that this is our topic. So copy this product, uh, uh, this topic, and paste it here. So I am saying, I'm giving a prompt to chat gpt that I have a blog website. Okay, I want to write a blog on, sorry, blog on artificial intelligence application in daily life. Okay, this is my topic. Now, further, I'll give it that use simple, or you can say break down each paragraph into small sentences of not more than 3 lines. Okay. Each paragraph should have a separate headline, heading. Okay. Use. Now I am also writing that use keywords. Now let's copy the keyword that we have shortlisted. So one keyword is this one, artificial intelligence example in daily life. Okay. So I'm giving this one keyword and comma. Another keyword is 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life. So copy it and again paste it over here.
What is artificial intelligence, madam?
What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is AI. When when your work is made simpler. Okay. When uh, when you give a question and you get an answer automatically, that is what is artificial intelligence. Okay. Which makes your work easier, which makes your life easier. For example, you say, what is 10 plus 20? I don't know what is 10 plus 20, and I don't know how to add 10 plus 20. Okay. So if you give chat gpt a command, or if you write here that what is 10 plus 20, so it will automatically calculate it and give you the answer that is equal to 30. Okay. So this is
Okay,
what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence means which gives you answers to almost all the questions. You can ask any questions from ChatGPT. You can ask for any solving any maths problem. You can ask for writing any blog. You can ask for writing any kind of poem for you. Okay. You can ask for writing any kind of story for you. Okay.
okay,
Or
madam.
any kind of song for you. Anything you can do with the chat gpt. Okay. So this is
Okay,
what
madam.
is artificial intelligence. I hope you have got your answer. Okay, moving ahead
Okay, madam.
now. Okay. So moving ahead, this is basically chat gpt is basically an AI only. Okay. Artificial intelligence. Artificial, why we are saying artificial? Because it is not it is not man-made. Basically it is not natural. Okay. So it is simply man-made. So anything which is not natural, which is man-made, is called as artificial. So this is artificial intelligence. Our brains are a natural intelligence. Okay. When we think with our brains, that is a natural intelligence. And this is a machine intelligence. This is a machine which is calculating, which is giving you the answers. This is why it is called as artificial intelligence, because it is doing the same intelligence work as we do with our brains, right? but artificially. Okay, so this is artificial intelligence, and chat gpt is the best and the most widely used artificial intelligence as of now. I hope you have got your answer. So moving ahead, we have given it a prompt like, I have a blog website, so I'll give it the full details about what I want out of it. So I have said that I have a blog website. I want to write a blog on artificial intelligence application in daily life. So this is my title on which I want to write a blog. Now, further, I am saying that break down each paragraph into small sentences of not more than 3 lines. So you should use smaller sentences so that reader can read it easily. Okay, readability becomes easy, and this is what Google looks for. Google will promote your blog or your content only when it is useful and also easy to understand. Anyone who wants to ask anything,
No,
you can
madam.
ask. Oh, okay, all right. So each paragraph, further, I'm saying that each paragraph should have a separate heading. Use the keywords. Now, these are the keywords what we have researched from our keyword planner. Okay, so I have researched 3 keywords, out of which one I have taken in the headline, and the remaining 2 I have to use somewhere. So use keywords this and this. Okay, so I think this is it. um, and I have to write a blog in more than 300 words. uh, I want to write a blog on this subject in approximately 350 words. Okay, so this is it. I think we have given it. Um, and let's give it a hit and see what chat gpt is going to give you in fraction of seconds. So for example, before clicking it, let me ask you that if I give you the same thing to be written, how much time will you take to write a blog of 350 words in your own words? By thinking, by using your brains, how much time will you take? 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, 5 hours, how much? Can you give your answers? How much time will you take if I give you the same thing, that write a blog on this topic in 350 words? So tell me, how much approximate time will you take to write this blog? You can tell your answers. 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours, how much time? You can type in your chat box and let me know how much time will you take. And I'm waiting for your answers. Quickly type, how much time will you take? Nobody is typing. You can see here on the right hand side corner, there is a message box. You can click on it in order to open, and here you can start typing whatever you want to, whatever your answer is. Okay. So nobody is interested in giving the answer. Okay. So one answer I have got, Gunukula. So what is the answer? 30 minutes. Let me see. What are you typing? Okay. Gunukula is saying that 30 minutes will be the time taken. Any other? No, none of you can calculate how much time you take. Okay. No problem if you don't want to answer. What can I say? If you answer, that will be good for you. Let's keep the session engaging. You can ask me the questions, and I'll also keep on asking questions from you. So this way you can also develop interest in the sessions. All right. So the first and the only answer that I got was 30 minutes. Now, the reason for asking this question was that now see how much time will this AI, that is artificial intelligence or chat GPT, will take to give this answer. Okay, let's give it a hit and see. Within fraction of seconds, you will get your answer. Okay, so see, you have already got your answer. See, within 350 words, it has given you such a big content of 350 words. Okay. Now, what is our task? What will we do? We'll just copy whole of the content. Okay. What we can do? Just here at the bottom, there is a copy button. So just copy it. So when you see this tick mark, that means that the content has been copied. Now go back to your this thing. What is it? Website. Click on edit with Elementor. Okay. And it is just loading. What happened? Let me reload it. Okay, edit with Elementor. Okay, so here we are, and I'll change the title in a while. Click on this plus button, then Flexbox, then this. Okay, and then in this, first of all, you have to add a container. Okay, let's type container. Container is the first one, so you can copy it. Okay, now you have to add a heading. Okay, so heading. Okay, and after heading, you also have to add text. Okay, text editor. So type text. Where is text? So text editor, drag it over here, just below this. When you see this pink line, I hope you can see this pink line below. So the text editor will get below it. Okay, if you see pink line above, that means text editor will go above your heading. Okay, so now we have to first of all, we have copied. Let me go to this first. This is your text editor. Okay, now what we have copied from the chat GPT, let's paste it over here. Control V, paste. So this is what we have pasted. So if anything is not required, you can remove it. Okay, and the um, here, this is not required, so I am deleting it. Okay, okay, and this is my title. Oh, sorry, this is basically my title. So I'll copy this title from here. Basically, let me copy this title, Control X, remove it from here and add it to the title. Just a second. And paste it in the heading column. Control V. Okay. So this is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in our daily life. Okay, so this is your title, and this is basically, this should be your H1. Change this HTML tag to H1. So this means that this is the main heading. H1 means title of the page. Okay, so this is the title of the page, Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in the Daily Life, right? And then we have started writing the content like this. So here is the content: artificial intelligence in smartphones and personal devices. So if you know, which I think you must be aware of it, that nowadays in some phones, AI is also being embedded in smartphones, like in Samsung phones and Vivo phones. You also get AI feature, right? Like you can remove the photos in the background, you can change something You can you can change the, you can write some text and so on. So you can do many things with the AI. So artificial intelligence in smartphones and personal devices. Then you have artificial intelligence in home automation. Then you have artificial intelligence in healthcare and fitness. So everywhere, see, AI helps doctors to detect diseases early. So with the help of AI, the doctors are also able to detect the diseases at the early stage. So that means AI is taking place, AI is being used in almost all the sectors and all the areas, all the walks of life. Artificial intelligence in transport and travel. So just like you must have sometimes used Ola and Uber cab services, or maybe any other local cab services, then in that cab services you have some artificial intelligence which guide the driver about the route or the busy route. Okay, so that is the power of artificial intelligence. Okay, now 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life. So here we have given 10 uses. Got it? And then finally we have the conclusion. So this is our conclusion. So now see, this we have written, this we have to remove. Oh, just a second. I think we have to remove this. Mm, go down at the bottom and just remove it. Delete. Okay, so these things will be deleted and conclusion will be the end. All right, so one more thing, if you have some images and you want to insert the images in between, which you should, plain text, mind it that people do not love reading plain text. They like to read a text when it is accompanied by some images. Okay, so I am just inserting some image over here. Let me insert one image. Let me image box. So I am just putting it somewhere. Mm, or let's put it on the top. Okay, let me first change the title. So this is the title. Let's copy it and change the page name. I think I have to change it. Okay, no problem. I'll do it some other way. So now let me insert one image. I want to insert an image. So let's search for image box. Okay, and here I want to insert an image after the title. Okay, so let's choose one image from our media library, or maybe from, okay, so let's choose this doctor image. All right. So here we are. So suppose that because we have seen that intelligence is also used in the healthcare sector also, so we can use this image. Okay, now if everything is looks good, if everything is fine, you are satisfied, now publish it. So publish it, and now I will open a front end in order to see how it will look like. So BBIC. Okay. Okay. Now see here, the latest document appears over here. Introduction to AI. Right? Again, go to your backend and go back. First of all, we have not inserted um, any image as a featured image. So let's enter the featured image and change the title of the page. Okay. And set featured image. Okay. We are done with this. And now save. Now again check back. Let it save. Okay, fine. Now let's refresh this page once more. And now this title has changed to Introduction to Artificial Intelligence in Daily Life. Okay, and this is the snapshot. Continue reading. If you think that yes, I want to know more about how artificial intelligence is used in our daily life, then you can continue. You can click on it to continue reading. Okay, let me go back. Click on it, and you will be here with the full document, with the full blog. You can read out the whole blog. Okay, see, you can read out the whole blog. Now what will happen? Whenever a person is searching for in the Google, if anybody is searching for uh, like um, what was the title? Introduction introduction of Introduction to AI in our daily life. Okay, daily life. Then whenever a person is typing like this and they click on it, then our website will appear on the top. Not in one go, but it will slowly and steadily, it will be Google will start showing up our website on the top pages like this. Okay, because as I have told you that this is a free website and it will not be indexed on the Google. So when we make actual website, then it will slowly and steadily it will start appearing on the first page of the Google. Why? Because we have used these keywords. Okay, uh, people are searching like this. Suppose I am a random person and I am searching for some topic on introduction to AI in our daily life. Suppose I am a college student and I have got a project that uh, mm, that my professor has given me a task to write, to generate a content or to write something on uses of AI in our daily life, how AI has made our life simpler. So I have to write something on it. Okay, so my professor has given me such task. So what I will do, I will go on Google and I will type like this: Introduction to AI in our daily life. So these will be the results that come up like this. This website is coming up. Then 20 uses of artificial intelligence in day-to-day life, right? So why they are coming up? Because they match, these titles match with our title, what we have searched for. Okay, we have searched for introduction to AI in our daily life, right? Similarly, when our website also gets published on Google, then it will start appearing on the first page of the Google, because it also has the same words as any random person is looking for. So I am a random person and I am looking for introduction to AI in the in our daily life. So this is your website. Suppose that and you have used this title, or not, even if not in the title, then somewhere in the in your content you have used like this: 10 uses of artificial intelligence in our daily life. So matching with this, if this matches the need of the user, because user is also looking for these things. See, 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life. So and we also have this keyword in our content, so Google will show up our website. So this is what is the importance and the use of the keyword, searching for, researching for the keywords. And see, this is, see, the same keyword, 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life. And see here, 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life, because people have searched for this keyword in the near past. That is the reason why Google is showing up these results. Okay, see, 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life for students. Got it? So if you prepare content accordingly with your keywords, then and your content is also good. Okay, it should not be that uh, that you have written anything, only the keywords you have taken, but the content is extremely poor. The content should be equally good. Okay, so write a good content, and if required, then you can make some changes here and there, uh, as per your choice. There is no hard and fast rule that you cannot make any changes anywhere. Okay, you can make changes
Avetta avetta nell'intent,
however
shrinkle
it
అయిపోయింది.
fits to you. All right.
ఏది వెతుకుతున్నా?
Akhila, please mute yourself. Hmm. All right. So this is how the keywords and the ranking of your website are correlated with each other. So everything is correlated. First of all, as I told you, the ranking of the website, the process of ranking of the website starts from keyword research. So step number one, you have to research about the keywords on the topic for which you want to write something. Step number two, you have to write that content properly. Okay, not just blindly you have to write anything, because you have the chat GPT, so you can write anything. Okay, so but not anything blindly. Okay, whatever this has given, you have simply copied and pasted. No, you have to write it properly, you have to edit it also. Sometimes you are don't copy and paste as it is, make some changes. Use, this is only artificial intelligence. You also have to use your natural intelligence, your brains. All right, in order to make the content best. So when you use these, when you make changes and you make the content best, then only and once you are satisfied, just paste it here on your post. Okay, uh, after posting, when people are searching for this kind of keyword, like anything, whatever keywords you have used in your content, if any keyword matches the same keyword what people are searching for example, people are searching for 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life, and you also have used this same keyword, 10 uses of artificial intelligence in daily life, then Google will show up your content on the top of the page of the Google, provided that your content is genuine, your content is simple to read, easy to understand, and uh, it gives actual benefits to your user. Okay, so you should not write anything which does not make sense. Okay, you should write only those things which make sense, which are helpful to the user. Don't just blindly write anything. Got it? So this is how you can make use of the AI. And once you write it, once you thoroughly research your keywords, after that second step will be to create a content on this keywords, just like we have asked the chat GPT to create a, I want to write a blog, so we have given it a prompt to write a content for us. Now, step number 3 will be to do on-page SEO. Once we are done with this, now we have to do on-page SEO. So here you are, Yoast SEO, click on it, and you have to, there are some red pointers, see here. Readability is good because we already gave a command that sentences should be small and paragraphs should be also small. Okay, but there are some pointers which you still need to correct. So see, there are so many pointers that you need to correct. So after correcting these pointers, your content will get optimized. Optimized means that now Google thinks that yes, now your content is, Google will think that now your content is optimized. Is there anything? Gurukula, is there anything you want to ask?
No, madam.
Okay. From Yoast SEO, you can do all the parts of on-page SEO as we have already discussed. So I'm not going to go again into it. So you already know how to make changes in all these pointers. So here, just like image, so no image appears on this page. So add some. So they are saying that you have to add some images in between the content. As I told you earlier also, that people don't like reading the plain text. Now people love to read only those content which have some images on them. Got it? So you have to use some images as well. And whatever changes they are asking you, make those changes and you are good to go. Then third step is firstly you have researched the keyword. Second step is to make the content according to the keyword, that also we have done. Step number 3, on page SEO, so this is also we have done. And fourth step is off page SEO. So off page SEO will be by creating various links on different websites. So that will be your off page SEO, right? And step number 5th and the last step would be to check your performance. So checking performance means that you have to see how much rank has been increased, how what this blog, if this is a blog, then how much rank has been increased of your website due to this new blog. Okay, So now don't keep checking every day, okay, or every week. So you don't have to check every day or every hour. uh, uh, Keep a check every month, or maybe after few weeks, maybe like after every fortnightly, like 15 days or so. Okay, so after 15 days you can check how much your website ranking has improved or not improved. If it is not improved, then you have to make changes in your content. Okay, and if it is good, that means you have done everything according to the Google's guidelines. Got it? So this is what the the concept of SEO was. So we have learned everything about SEO. We have seen that SEO consists of on-page SEO, which is this one, Yoast SEO. Okay, this is on-page SEO. Off-page SEO, we have already seen that what is off-page SEO, when you do the optimization of your website by going off the website, that means outside the website, making links, backlinks at various places, that is called as off-page SEO. And thirdly, third part was the technical SEO. Technical SEO consists of this thing, Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So Google Analytics shows you about your customers, okay, about your audience, how many people watch, what age group people are watching or viewing your content, while Google Search Console looks into the health of your website, whether everything is fine inside your website or not. Okay, so this is what is technical SEO. So I think we have we have covered all the parts of the SEO, and I hope that you have understood what SEO actually is. And this is very important for your website. Okay, if you really want to grow, then this is very important for you in order to grow. Okay, every time you cannot come on the first page of the Google by just by running ads. Okay, if you are running ads, if you think that I can come on the top by running ads, you may, but only for a short period of time. If you want to stay on the top of the page of the Google, then you have to do SEO. And SEO is a continuous process. It is not a one time activity. You have to keep on doing it, because it is, SEO is an organic activity. Okay, that does not cost anything, but it is just that you have to keep on doing it in order to stay on the top of the page of the Google. Okay, on the other hand, if you run ads, then you have to spend a lot of money. Maybe thousands and lakhs of rupees are spent, maybe sometimes crores of rupees are spent in order to come up on the first page of the Google. All right, so with this, your SEO module is also over. Now hereby I want to bring it to your notice that we, up till now, we have completed two modules, that is website development, and second module that we have completed is SEO. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, your new module, that is social media marketing, will be started, wherein I hope you will get more interest into that, because we are going to start with Facebook. Okay, how do we do business through Facebook? All right, how do we do marketing through Facebook? Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, which we are going to do social media marketing. I hope you are excited uh, for that. So see you tomorrow. And
Wednesday class ఉందా మేడం?
pardon,
Wednesday class ఉందా మేడం?
tomorrow's class.
Wednesday మేడం.
No, tomorrow is your class. No? I think today is Monday, so tomorrow is Tuesday. So from tomorrow onwards, you will be having social media marketing.
Wednesday మేడం క్లాస్. Wednesday మేడం. Wednesday క్లాస్ ఉందా మేడం?
Tomorrow you don't have class?
14 మేడం.
Why? Why 14?
Wednesday మేడం.
Okay, let's see. We'll talk in the class tomorrow.
ఓకే మేడం.
Okay. And
థ్యాంక్ యూ మేడం.
most probably be prepared for tomorrow. We'll be introducing to Facebook. Thank you for now and see you tomorrow. Okay. Okay, Adarsha. Thank you and bye. Have a nice day.